Good morning, it's Christmas, and we're waiting on breakfast. It's a beautiful day. Hopefully it's another, hopefully today is a great day to get in the pool. We're out on the patio, just lounging, waiting on breakfast.
Water.
Today we're just gonna stay at the house, enjoy family, open gifts, swim, eat, and everything, and that's about it. So peace. Hope you guys have a great Christmas.
You got the preacher who want to be baptized.
Right.
That was she yelling at.
Chefs for this morning, Ashley and Jamie.
Open that pan for me. I can't touch that. My hand's in this one, yeah. What's he doing?
Everybody's picking up. Everybody's picking up.
That's the ones who's gonna eat it. Jesus saying, Amen. Amen. Hey.
Brianna couldn't wait, could she?
Pull his pants up. He couldn't wait. Brianna went out there by herself. He saw her and got down. Out this way. He still got berries on his plate.
About to do Secret Santa. We poured names around Thanksgiving. Everybody poured a name. You buy a gift. Everybody posted their gift suggestions, and you get someone, if you got their name, you get someone that gift off of their list. But of course we had a minimum and a maximum amount. But that's what we're about to do right now. Secret Santa. Secret Santa is over. Now it's time for my kids to open a couple of gifts. They already got some. Like I was saying, my kids already opened gifts Sunday at my mom's house because we was gonna be in Orlando. So we brought more gifts with us just so they can have something just so they can have something to open on Christmas for the RJ. Sorry, what you got?
Barbie, y'all. Little white girl. She like Elsa.
William, be man. Open it.
I'm just saying she can have both.
Open it.
Oh, Mr. Potato Head. Look, I'm gonna tell my kids that was Steve Harvey.
That's why I said that.
Some more toys. Say, I'm swimming. Are you afraid of the pool anymore? You're not scared no more? You're swimming. what's up, guys? We are back from the water park. Water park was dope. It's great. So we just back relaxing. Everybody getting something to eat and just chilling. Everybody eating cereal.
No, not yet.
RJ, you have fun?
2 hours later.
Hey guys, what's up? So pretty much we came from the water park, relaxed, ate some lunch, and some people got back in the pool. Some of us took naps. So we're up from our nap and we're about to have Christmas dinner. Tonight's dinner is special, first of all because it's Christmas, and also because the chef of the family prepared dinner. So let's go see what it's all about. All right.
Bam didn't get the joke.
Let me know when you're done vlogging so you can sit down so you can start. Where's Tangy?
So this is the chef of the family.
Chef.
He was responsible for Christmas dinner along with William and Rachel.
We will be serving surf and turf. And your first course is going to be soup and salad. But we don't have the salad due to circumstances. But we have a delicious clam chowder that we will be serving you first.
If you like clam chowder as your opening course, we'll take your bowl and we'll serve you. Okay? Jared, would you like some clam chowder?
Sure.
Clam
Chowder.
chowder.
First course is clam chowder. It's pretty good.
Okay, yeah, Bam. I can find the Christmas channel now. I said yes, sir. Oh, wow.
Who bowl this? Is this Nicole?
That's Nicole extra.
Okay.
Our food is in there. We took our stuff in.
It's time for our second course, which is our appetizer course. We're going to be serving you 2 different appetizers. First, we have our shrimp cocktail, and then we have our Southern style cupcake. All right, in front of you, you have the Southern style cupcake. At the bottom, you will find a warm corn muffin. Your icing includes mashed potatoes, and then at the top, you will have chicken strips with a nice chicken gravy on top.
Everything tastes all right?
Yeah. And we still got a main course to go.
Yeah.
Hold on. I just pulled it out. You said check.
For your third course is going to be the main course. We will be serving roast beef, say it again, steamed broccoli, macaroni and cheese, and pot roast. For some, we will be serving chicken strips and shrimp. But after you eat, you're free to go and do whatever. We will come back later with your fourth course, which is going to be dessert. Cool beans.
Thank you, Chef. Brianna's here. If you guys aren't already, follow my YouTube channel, Brianna Billings. But my brother them are over here. Oh, look at this meal.
ABC.
Do y'all see this? Do y'all see this? Brendan is the main chef, and his sous chefs are Rachel and William. I'm full already. We've already had a 4-course meal still coming. It's a 7-course meal still coming. All right, I'm gonna go sit down so I can get my plate. Make sure y'all follow me on YouTube, Brianna Billings, also on Instagram at Brianna Billings. Okay, do yourself a favor, follow me. Follow me.
I apologize. Start eating before showing the next course. Macaroni and cheese, broccoli, and roast. Yo, dinner was amazing. Thanks to these guys.
Hey.
I made the water.
And William.
Next year, Christmas dinner. It's on somebody else.
You did what, Brianna? I made the water.
I come back and
I made the water.
Who the hell?
That's not a shell. I made the water.
Can't go to Philadelphia. Where the hell do you up? I don't know.
All right, guys. So finally, it's just the 8 siblings, 8 kids. Yep.
Who missing?
And nobody's missing. Look, I had to do the same thing. I had to count and be like, hold
It feels
on.
like somebody's missing.
It does feel like somebody missing, but it's not.
This is weird.
Right. It's all 8 of us. So we're going to go around and everybody,
4, 5, 6,
7, 8. Everybody's going to say their name. Starting from eldest to youngest.
Nicole.
Oh, damn.
It's me. You know me.
Then it's me. I'm Ashley.
Look at me like y'all twins.
Number 4 is Thor Brandon.
It's me.
I'm tripping. I'm tripping. I don't know. I forgot who was next.
I'm Brianna.
She already picked.
Then it's me, Jessica.
Then it's me, Princess Rachel. You can follow me at beauty_Rachel.
That's right. That's right.
And the last one.
Hey, William. My bad.
Baby.
Yeah, that's it. That's all 8 of us. That's all 8 of us.
I thought it originally said Sego.
I did too. I did too. Some of us are playing games, some of us are watching the game. I'm about to go watch the game in the theater.
Pass box. 2.
She can't put up the
Pass
second
box.
box.
3.
The head ain't on. The head ain't on.
5. Pass. 2.
Get out there, okay.
3. 4. 5.
What's going on? Dessert is finally served. Strawberry shortcake and mimosa while we watch the game.